Hi, my name's Alexa and I'm the training manager at Medical Guardian. Today we are unboxing the MGMini, the smallest and lightest mobile device on the market. Let's open it up. Inside we'll find a user guide, the MGMini, the charging cradle, which does require some assembly. Small USB will go into the charging cradle, and the large end of the USB will go into the charging block. Included is a non-adjustable magnetic pull-apart lanyard, an adjustable pull-apart lanyard, and a belt clip. Once you unbox your device, be sure to plug your charging cradle into a power outlet and place your MGMini into the cradle to make sure it is fully charged. It should take about 4 full hours to charge and you'll get up to 5 days worth of battery life. Here are some exciting features of the MGMini. The device connects to AT&T 4G LTE and Verizon 4G LTE connection. Continuous on-demand GPS location updates to allow for optimal location services using true GPS. An alarm cancellation feature, both on the device itself and add-on buttons. There's also a unique info button. And it's a raise button that's easy to find and push. It also serves as a menu. 1 click tells you battery and signal strength. 2 clicks tests the device. 3 clicks pairs the device to something else, and 4 clicks turns the device off. The MGMini offers these additional features. The MGMini is water resistant. You can wear it in the shower, but not submerged. There's also integration with My Guardian customer portal and app, which includes hourly updates to the portal, including signal, battery, and location. The device is also equipped with a step counter. You can view daily and weekly steps by visiting your My Guardian customer portal. For an extra cost, you can add the fall detection technology available on the unit or an additional fall detection button. For more information, please visit our support site at medicalguardian.com/support.